How to delete an editor on WordPress. If you have multiple editors on your WordPress site, you need to be aware of the risk. It is important to understand that an editor can view, edit, publish, and delete any post, pages, moderate comments, manage categories, manage tags, manage links, and upload files and images. So please be careful if you give this access to somebody. So if you have given somebody this role on your site and you want to remove it, do it now. First of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp line admin. Write your username and password and then log in. Now go with the mouse over users and click on all users. You see the full list of users here. Go with the mouse over the editor user who you want to delete and click delete. If you have very many users, you can filter the editors by clicking the editor link from here. If you want to remove access to that account to somebody, you can just click on edit. Then just edit the email address and the password. The person will not have access to that account after these changes. Click Update User. But what if you want to delete the full account for this editor? Let's get back to the list of users. Go with the mouse over the editor you want to delete and click delete. If you get this notice, it is better to attribute all content to another editor or user not to lose the content. Then click Confirm Deletion. You have now deleted an editor on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.